Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you surface area and volume about a cube and a cuboid. In this cube and cuboid, we are going to learn lateral surface area of a cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, volume of a cuboid, lateral surface area of a cube, total surface area of a cube, and volume of cube. Let us learn one by one. First, lateral surface area of a cuboid. Before discussing lateral surface area of cuboid, first we have to know what is a cuboid. A solid object which has length, breadth, height is called a cuboid. The best example for cuboid is a duster. The long side is called length, short side is called breadth, this is called height. And lateral surfaces, this is a lateral surface 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 are called lateral surfaces. Let us draw this figure on board. This is a cuboid. This long side is called length, short side is called breadth, this is height. Let us calculate lateral surface area of cuboid, LSA. LSA is equal to, first this is one lateral surface area. This is a rectangular shape. Area of rectangle A is equal to L into B. So in this, this is a length, this is a breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So height is, we can take as breadth. Like these shapes, we have two, 1 and 2. So this one, and this one. Length into, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. But in place of breadth, we have to take height. So there are two rectangles, same area, so 2 of LH, 2 of LH. Similarly, this and this, these two are same area. In this duster, you may observe this is length, breadth is length, height is breadth. These also same. area, so breadth, height. Here this is breadth, this is height. Two of BH. So 2 common and H also common. So 2H of L plus B. So this is the lateral surface area of cuboid. If given length is 20 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters, height 5 centimeters, eight centimeters, then lateral surface area of this cuboid LSA is equal to, given length 20 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters, height 8 centimeters. Example, then LSA, then find LSA, then find LSA. LSA is equal to, this is the formula, 2H of L plus B. 2 into, in place of H we have to substitute 8 and length 20, breadth 10. 2 8 is 16, 20 plus 10 30, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 480 square centimeters, or we can write centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of that cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. To find the total surface area, we have to add bottom and top to lateral surface areas. So this is the bottom, this is the top. We have to add these two, bottom and top. So we know area of this top, length into breadth. So this is also same area. Total surface area is equal to lateral surface area plus 2 into, this is length, this is breadth, 2 LB. We already know lateral surface area LH, 2LH, 2LH plus 2BH. We already know this, 2BH plus 2LB. If we take 2 as common in both all the terms, here we have LH plus BH plus LB. If we written in order, total surface area is equal to 2 of LB, a systematic length, breadth, height, length, breadth, height. So in a systematic, we can get like this, 2 of LB plus BH plus 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula for finding total surface area. Taking these values Let us find the total surface area of this cuboid. If example, if length is equal to 20 centimeters, breadth is equal to 10 centimeters, height is equal to 8 centimeters, then find total surface area. Total surface area is equal to, here we have formula, we have to substitute the values in this given formula. 2 of length 20, breadth 10 plus breadth 10, height 8, length 20. Now we have to simplify these values. 200, 20 10s are 200, 10 8s are 80, plus 8 2s are 16, 160. 200, 280, 380. Let us add here 280, 160, 0, 14, 3, 4, 440, 440, 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, square centimeters. This is the total surface area of this given cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. What is a volume? The measures of the space occupied by a body is called a volume. Volume is measured in cubic units. The standard unit for measuring volume is cubic meter. Let us learn once units for measuring volumes. 1000 cubic millimeters, 1 cubic centimeter. 1000 cubic centimeters, 1 cubic decimeter. 1000 cubic decimeters, 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic centimeter is also called 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter. 1 cubic decimeter is also called 1 liter. 1 cubic meter is also called 1 kiloliter. Kiloliter. Cubic meter, we can write like this also, 1 meter cube. 1 kiloliter. We know already the relation between capacity. 1000 milliliters, 1 liter. 1000 liters, 1 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter. So we know already. Now we can find volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid V is equal to LBH. Here we have given, here we have length 20 meters, breadth 10 meters, height 8 meters. Centimeters, these are centimeters. If given these values, we can find volume, length 20, breadth 10, height 8. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros, 1600 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of this given cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cube. Before discussing lateral surface area of a cube, let us know what is a cube. A solid object which has length, breadth, height equal is called a cube. The best example for cube is cubic cube. It has length, breadth, height, all are equal. So it is a cube. For this lateral surface area, it has 4 lateral surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all are equal sizes and equal shapes, equal sizes, that is square shaped. We know already the area of a square side into side. Let us draw a cube on board. This is a cube, side, 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 length, breadth, height, all are equal. All sides are equal. So lateral surface area of a cube is equal to, there are 4 lateral surfaces, all equal, s square, s square, s square, s square. So lateral surface area is equal to 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 4s square. So this is the lateral surface area of a cube. If given the lateral side of this cube is 5 centimeters, then the lateral surface area is equal to, if side is equal to side of cube is 5 centimeters, then its lateral surface area is equal to 4 into 5 square. 4 into 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100 square centimeters. Next, total surface area. We understood total surface area, bottom and top. So total 6 faces are all are equal. So total surface area of cube is equal to 6s square. Example 2. If side of a cube is 5 centimeters, then its total surface area is equal to 6 into 5 square. 6 into 5 5s are 25. 25 6 are 150 square centimeters. This is answer 1, this is answer 2. Next, volume of cube. Volume of cube. This is total surface area. Next, volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to V is equal to S into S into S, that is S cube. If given side of cube is 5 centimeters, then volume of cube V is equal to 5 cube. 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 cubic centimeters. So this is the answer. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept about surface areas and volume. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.